Hello guys, so this is the second part of the tech gadgets and accessories business. So let's continue what we start. So let's move on now to the next section. So here you can edit this section from here. You can add an item, or you can also add the link here. You can search. Now let's move on to the design. You can customize the wave intensity. Also you can edit here the wave width and the text size as you like. So that's it. Now if you wanna move this section up or down, you can move it from here, you can save it, and also you can duplicate it from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So first you have to delete this image, add another one. For example, this. You can add another one here if you like. So let's add another one. So you have to try your best to attract more people as you like. You can change anything here as you like, the text or the image. Also you can add and edit here the background. It might be just a simple art like this. That's it. Now let's continue. Also here you can add just a simple background. Also here the same thing. Here you can change the social links. You can add here the social link as you like, and you can design here the border and the alignments and the size. And now let's move on. So let's delete this and add another one. So you can change here the shape as you like from here. So you can choose from here any shape you like. So I'm gonna keep it just a normal, just like this, and you can change it as you like. That's it. Now let's continue to the next section. So the last section, the footer section, you can also add just a simple art. And after this, after you're done from here, you can go, for example, to the site styles, and you can change the fonts if you like. Go here and you can switch fonts back. Select from here any font you like. You can change it. You can change any one here. You see attractive for your site. And also the colors, you can customize the themes as you like. The animations, here you can set the styles, any style you like, and you can change the speed, slow or medium or fast, and the spacing. That's it. Here you can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. So after you're done from here, from designing your website, you can save this and go to the salient section. So you can go to the salient section. After this, you can add your products. Choose. You can add your product to your inventory. You can add physical products, for example, and customize the price and the stock as you like. Here you can add the way to get paid, and after this, choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create your websites for tech gadgets and accessories business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.